Today, I'm doing something that scares a lot of beginners. I'm pausing some of my own Amazon ads on purpose. It's part of a 5-minute budget check I run every single week. And this week, you get to watch the whole thing play out. Quick disclosure. This video is a paid partnership with Amazon Ads. My name is RJ Martinez. I've been doing print on demand for over 8 years and sold over 135 products with my Amazon Merch on Demand account. And here's the whole routine up front. Instead of changing bids, I focus on one simple budget check. I open the reporting dashboard. I look at which creative is getting engagement, like clicks or conversions, and I protect the budget for what's working. I pause or rethink the designs that aren't getting enough useful traction. That's it. 5 minutes once a week. Let's go ahead and open up the screen. Timer running, and I'm opening the reporting dashboard inside the Amazon Ads console. Because sponsored products optimization, at least the way I practice it, is not about doing more. It's about doing the right next thing. So today, I'm running the check on camera, making one change on my own account. And then next week, we'll open the reporting dashboard together and see what it shows. And I'm only asking 2 questions here. Question 1, which designs are getting engagement? Meaning shoppers are actually clicking on them. So you can see right here, separated by clicks. And you can see that I have it up here. And you know, there's a few other things you can look at. Impressions and clicks they go hand in hand because you want to make sure that your designs are getting seen, right? And usually if your designs are not getting seen, most likely 1, it can be the niche, 2, it can be the design, 3, it can be that you have like a lower bid and you need to increase it a bit. And then question 2 is which of these are getting conversions, right? And that's one of the most important things here is like the purchases. Like what are they, how are they purchasing, you know? And I think that when it comes to something like this, are those clicks turning into sales? The performance insights makes this pretty quick by looking at this. So you want to make sure that you have it filtered, a nice little filter here. And right now, each person's going to be different when it comes to this, which is important. The performance insight makes this pretty quick, right? Like for example, so you're looking at like a certain niche, right? It can be anything out there. It can be like the flamingo niche. It can be like type of bowling tees, the duck niche, the chicken niche, anything, whatever. You can tell right here, like for example, you can say like this niche right here is getting a good amount of clicks, 117, and then you can see the purchases there. This one right here is getting 85 clicks, and then you can see the total cost and then the purchases there, right? Every single niche is going to be different, okay? But you can tell that I'm definitely running ads over here. And then if I go over here, you can see that if you look at these designs right here, these are fairly new. I just launched a few of them just today. These designs right here, I ran like about a week ago, and you're going to see like a handful of these designs down here. I've been running for weeks and they're not getting enough useful traction to teach me anything. Not bad designs, just no signal, okay? So when it comes to something like this and you're looking at anything like this, now the one change right here that I'll do, step 1, the design that's getting engagement conversions, I'm protecting it. We see we have this one design right here that's starting to get clicks and traction, and I made one conversion right there, which is a really good sign. Okay, so when I see something like that, I'm going to protect it. I'm going into its campaign and raising, you know, the daily budget. I'm start raising this daily budget. I already raised it once already, from $2 or $1 to $3 or $4 right there, as you're going to see. That's the amount this campaign is allowed to spend per day. The things that working has room to keep working. Now, step 2, you can, if you have something like this, for example, you can see this one has like 1,800 impressions. You can see it has 10 clicks. Total cost already about $6.35. Now, something like this, you can pause, or it's up to you what you want to do here. You can actually pause this niche right here, unless you want to let it go to like maybe 15 clicks, 10 clicks. 10 clicks seems to be like that sweet spot, but it hasn't converted yet at this price point. Now, it's already, you think about, okay, 10 customers would have came over here. They would have made that purchase already, and they haven't done that yet. So 10 clicks, spent around this much, $6.35. That's a good enough information for me to see like, okay, this one most likely is not going to convert, and you would go ahead and hit that pause button right there on that one. And then I want you to keep in mind, there's no need to panic, no need to check every hour. Keep this like a weekly thing, okay? Like every Sunday, every Monday, and then, you know, let the performance insights do the talking for you. So just a quick little recap of everything that we talked about. That way you can leave watching this video with something that will help you. I think looking at the clicks is very important, okay? Clicks, impressions, understanding that if you don't, let's say you get between 10 to 15 clicks and you have no sales, pause it. next one. Or let's say within 10 clicks you have a sale. Now you can definitely increase the budget right there as it goes on. Okay, and then you can just dig in a little bit deeper and mess with the bid, but keeping it very simple and straight to the point. That's what I would do. Okay, don't overthink like, oh, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. Test off doing something like that. This is a very beginner friendly video, and understanding, okay, 10 to 15 clicks, no sales, pause. Within 10 clicks, you got to purchase, you can start to increase the daily budget a bit more in the bid. Okay, so just keeping it very simple and straight to the point. That's exactly what I would do right there. Now, once you have this and you implement this on your end, now it's your turn to test. Like, you get ideas, now it's your turn to test. Don't be scared to test. That's the main focus of this video, to help you understand that. Now it's your turn. If you ran this 5-minute check on your account today, what do you think you'd find first? A design worth protecting or a few worth pausing? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one, and I'll reply with what I look at first. You don't need a full overhaul. You need a calm 5 minutes a week. Learn more about Amazon ads and get the full how-to guide. Link is gonna be in the description down below. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments.